Hi Sam. I'm excited for today's lesson. We're going to learn the word
nun,
Hi Alex. What does
Nun,
mean?
nun,
is an interesting word. It means now in English. It's commonly used to indicate the present moment, but it can also express a sense of immediacy or urgency.
So, it's not just about time, right?
Exactly. It can also show a transition, like saying now let's do this. But be careful, as it might sound similar to the English word none, which is a false friend.
Got it. Can you tell me more about how to use?
nun,
In a sentence.
Sure. It's an adverb, so it doesn't change form. You can use it in sentences like
Ich bin jetzt hier, nun können wir anfangen.
which translates to I am here now, so we can start.
That's useful.
In terms of grammar, since it's an adverb, it doesn't have a gender, plural, or singular forms like nouns do.
How did the word
nun,
come to be?
Great question. The word
Nun,
comes from Old High German, where it was used similarly to express the present time. The roots have been consistent in meaning throughout history, making it quite stable in the language.
That's fascinating.
When we break down,
nun,
it can be a bit tricky since it's not a compound word. But you can think of it as a simple building block in the language, representing the moment of now.
So, no prefixes or suffixes to worry about.
Exactly. Just remember it as a standalone word that's essential for expressing time.
Are there similar words in German that I should know?
Absolutely. Let's look at some words that have similar meanings or uses. For example, there's,
jetzt,
which also means now and then,
bald,
meaning soon.
What about other adverbs?
Yes. You might also find
heute,
meaning today,
gestern,
for yesterday, and
morgen,
meaning tomorrow. Each helps express time in different ways.
I see how they connect.
Plus, we can think about adverbs like
immer,
for always and
nie,
meaning never. They create a full spectrum of time-related expressions.
Can we practice using?
nun,
In real-life situations.
Of course. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You can say,
nun bestelle ich mein Essen.
which means now I will order my food.
nun bestelle ich mein Essen.
Perfect. Another situation is at work. You could say,
Nun müssen wir das Projekt abschließen.
meaning now we need to finish the project.
Nun müssen wir das Projekt abschließen.
Great job! Lastly, let's say you're meeting a friend. You can say,
Nun sind wir endlich hier.
which means now we are finally here.
Nun sind wir endlich hier.
Now, let's talk about the gender of.
Nun.
Since it's an adverb, it doesn't have one. But you can remember it easily by associating it with the concept of immediacy.
That makes sense.
As for usage notes,
Nun.
is generally informal, but it can be used in formal contexts too. Typical collocations include
Nun gut.
meaning well now,
Nun mal.
meaning just now, and
Nun denn.
which is like saying well then.
Those are interesting phrases.
Just be cautious with words like
Nun.
and,
Nichts.
which means nothing. They sound somewhat similar but have very different meanings.
Can you give me some example sentences with?
Nun.
Sure. Here's one.
Es ist spät, nun müssen wir gehen.
Which means it's late, now we must go.
Es ist spät. Nun müssen wir gehen.
Good. Here's another.
Nun ist die Zeit gekommen.
Meaning now the time has come.
Nun ist die Zeit gekommen.
And another one.
Ich habe das Buch gelesen, nun kann ich es zurückgeben.
Which means I read the book, now I can return it.
Ich habe das Buch gelesen, nun kann ich es zurückgeben.
Let's do a quick recall check. What does
Nun.
mean?
It means now.
Correct. Can you give me a sentence with?
Nun.
Jetzt ist es Zeit. Nun müssen wir gehen.
Very close. You used
Jetzt.
instead of.
Nun.
Let's try again.
Okay.
Nun müssen wir gehen.
Perfect. How did
Nun.
originate?
It comes from Old High German.
Exactly. Now, can you think of an adverb similar to?
Nun.
Maybe.
Jetzt.
Spot on. Last question is
Nun.
a noun.
No, it's an adverb.
Great job, Sam. To wrap things up, remember that
Nun.
means now and is an important word for expressing the present moment. Keep practicing it in your conversations.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about
Nun.
today.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep using it, and I look forward to our next lesson.